Hi everybody, it's Jennifer Labre, and I'm back with a brand new video for you today. Sorry I've been gone for a couple weeks. I've been away on vacation, just doing some relaxing with my family. But now I'm back and I got my newest paper pumpkin that I wanted to share with you today. But first, I do have some of the events that are happening around Stampin' Up! World, and I wanted to make sure you knew about them before they end. The first thing is if you join the Stampin' Up! Family, you'll get a free set of the Stampin' Up! Ink pads in any of the set of colors that you wish. So for $99, you get $125 worth of products, free shipping, 20% discount, plus you're going to get a whole free set of ink pads. This deal is just like none other I've ever seen before. I wish I could quit and start over again, to be honest. So if you'd like to join me, join my Stampin' Up! Family, I'd love to have you. Contact me at jenniferlabre.com. If you go from there, you can go to my Stampin' Up! Website, and right on there it says join now. If you join the family, you'll get a free set of ink pads. Again, this offer is only good till the 31st of July. So hurry up and make sure you get in on that before that's gone. Also going on for all of you customers and demonstrators is the buy 3 get 1 free. This is on select designer series paper products. It's got all the paper products listed right here that it's good for. If you buy 3, you will automatically get 1 free of your choosing. And again, you can place your order through jenniferlabre.com. This offer also ends July 31st. And then finally, I wanted to make sure and tell you about the paper pumpkin deal that's going on, since we're talking about paper pumpkin today. If you join now with your brand new subscription with Paper Pumpkin, you can get 50% off your first month using code BLOOM0818. If you go to jenniferlabre.com, again, go to the store, select Paper Pumpkin from the store. You can select whatever subscription you want. If you sign up for a year at a time, you get a free month there. So you'd get a free month plus 50% off your first month. That's a great deal. Now, speaking of Paper Pumpkin, let's take a look at this month's Paper Pumpkin. I have not opened it yet, so it's brand new in the box. It's called Picnic Paradise, July 2018, and I don't even have it opened yet. So let's open it up with some scissors and take a look and see what we got. Okay, first thing I notice, the color of the month is soft suede. That's a pretty neutral color. Here's the ink stamps. Just grab a piece of paper so you can see those better. There's a to and from, enjoy, for you, thank you, thinking of you, and then a bunch of pattern stamps. So those are really cool, very versatile. Perfect. Let's see what we got in here. Oh, cute. Oh, this is a heavy one. Let's move this out of the way. Looks like we've got some note cards and some little baskets, like strawberry picking baskets. So let's open that up and take a look and see what we got. First thing we got is some dimensionals. This will be some envelopes. Let's see. Along with something else mixed in. So there's 4 apple envelopes. Oh, I love the gingham. That looks so adorable. This looks like some, let's see, it's called short brim stickers. Not sure what that means, but they're little stickers. Then we got 4 strawberry envelopes, again with the gingham inlays, and then 4 blueberry envelopes with the blueberry bushel color. Okay, those are really cute. These must be the note cards. Okay. Here's the basket templates. I don't know if you can see that, but there's some embossed texture on there. That's really sweet. So these are the baskets. We've got some baker's twine, some gold brads. Here's some tags that pop out, so die cut tags. Some more little die cut tags or labels. Some leaves. And those look like they're sticker leaves maybe. Blueberries. Oh. This is some tissue paper in the gingham for the baskets. These are really sweet. Very cute. There's their strawberries. I love how those are die cut. Actually, I think they'd be laser cut, right? Very cute. Apples. More parts for the baskets. Some white vellum die cuts. Glue dots. And then, of course, the instructions. There you go, and that's what everything that's included in the kit. Again, I think paper pumpkin kits are a great way to dip your foot or your toe into the water of stamping world. They're a great way to try different techniques and some different projects. They're not always cards, as you can see here. We've got the picnic baskets that are just adorable. I can see putting those little note cards and some treats in those picnic baskets, and I know somebody that would love to receive that. So if you're interested in joining Paper Pumpkin, again, head to my website at jenniferlabre.com. From there you can go to the store, the Stampin' Up store, hit Paper Pumpkin, you'll order whatever subscription of Paper Pumpkin you'd like, and then you go from there, take your code, and go over to the Paper Pumpkin site and enter that information in. I know it sounds a little bit complicated, but really it's not, and it's a great deal and a great way to get started in stamping world. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I look forward to putting together this Paper Pumpkin this month, and I hope that you will enjoy it as well. Again, be sure to sign up so that you don't miss out on next month's. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.